In the second example, you are asked to combine the logarithmic expressions. So here also I will be using the laws of logarithm, laws of logs. But now this time we are going to go backwards, like in the sense, if I have quantities as logs with the same base added, then I can multiply them. So just kind of going back from the right to the left in your rule. The same rule that we did in the previous problem, but we are kind of going backwards. So when you do this, it's always good. The first one, depending on the problem, again, it all depends on the problem. The first rule you would be thinking of is rule number 3, and then either rule 1 or 2 depending on the problem. Okay, so when I look at this problem given to me, 2 log w plus 3 log 2w plus 1, the first thing I'm seeing is this 3 for this term and this 2 for this term. So I know I can apply the power rule, which is the third one, and bring this 2 over to the w, and bring this 3 over to the power of 2w plus 1. So which is going to give me the expression log w squared plus log 2w plus 1 to the power of 3. Okay, that's the first step. Now I need to combine into a single logarithm, which means I should have just one log and everything should be in the argument of that log. So from this step, if I go back and look at my laws of logs, I see that there is an addition in the middle, which is telling me that the rule number 1 is what I'm looking at. So I will be using the product rule. And for this, since it's added, I can multiply the arguments. So that's going to give me this log w squared 2w plus 1 the whole cubed. So this, I can leave it here. This is the answer to this problem. So again, the goal was to combine the logarithmic expression into a single logarithm, and we kind of brought it into a single log. It's log w squared 2w plus 1 time to the power of 3. Now you may ask me if you have to, expand the parentheses or take the, multiply this 3 times and distribute the w square in. You don't have to do that, and if you do it, it's not wrong. But in these problems, especially when you're doing the web assignment, you can leave it like this. This will be considered as a final answer.